Iran is on fire and the whole world is watching now. Tens of thousands of protesters have taken to the streets across the country, voicing their anger over economic hardship, political corruption, and government mismanagement here. In fact, the cities that were once really calm, they have become battleground of frustration with demonstrations erupting in public squares, streets, and university campuses as well. Amid this whole unrest, Iran's supreme leader, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has sent a very clear and stern message to the United States. We will not back down. You're watching Times XP. My name is Dhriti Yatri, and on Friday, Khamenei appeared on Iranian state television and spoke directly to the world. He said Islamic Republic would never tolerate actions carried out on behalf of foreign powers, and anyone who aligns with outside forces will be rejected not only by the government but also by the Iranian people. He emphasized that the Islamic Republic will not retreat. It will not serve foreigners. Well, this was not just rhetoric, it was a warning, a signal that Iran's leadership is digging in, even as protest threatens to escalate. Khamenei also directly targeted the US President Donald Trump. He accused Washington of having hands trained with bloods of more than 1,000 Iranians, including leaders and innocent people. He said that Trump and his administration had no moral authority to interfere in Iran's internal affairs, and that the US should focus on its own domestic problems instead of trying to dictate terms to Tehran. Basically, in other words, Khamenei is telling the world, and Trump too, that Iran will resist the foreign pressure at all the costs. In fact, the context, it is very important. Iran has been under heavy sanctions for years now. Its economy has been suffering, and political tensions inside the country, they are at an all-time high. Unrest has erupted in multiple cities with protesters challenging both economic policies and political leadership. Security forces have been deployed in large numbers, trying to contain demonstrations, but the anger on the streets, that continues to grow. In fact, Khamenei's statement signals a hardening of Iran's stance by publicly condemning the US, refusing to yield to sanctions, and rejecting foreign involvement in domestic affairs. The supreme leader is showing that the government will not be pressurized, no matter what the cost is. And in the meantime, experts warn that this could mean stricter crackdowns on protesters, tighter control over internet and media, and more aggressive rhetoric against the foreign powers. Now, for the ordinary Iranians, the situation is really tensed. The protests reflect deep frustration over rising prices, unemployment, the gap between promises of the government and the reality on the ground. Yet, as Khamenei asserts Iran's resolve, protesters are sending a message of defiance here, highlighting the tensions between the leadership and its own people. The message from Tehran, loud and clear. Iran will stand firm against the US. It will resist foreign interference. It will reject anybody who work against interest of the nation. And yes, at the very same time, the streets of Iran continue to boil with anger, leaving the world to wonder how far will this government go to maintain control? And yes, how long can the people's unrest be contained before it changes the course of country's future?